Hello, lovely. So, just wanted to show you how easy it is to upload a document and split it and assign it and be done. So, I went in, let me go back real quick just to show you how easy it is. So, this is our main SkySlope. So, I go into Documents and I hit Upload Document. I uploaded it from my computer, so it's right here. So, Seller's Disclosure, it's actually a couple pages that I need to split. So, I hit Split. I go in and it actually shows me where I can see what the heck I'm looking at. So I go in, okay, this is my condo. So, oh look, I type a little bit and it pops up. Excuse my cat having a cow in the background. Go down to the condo writer. So that's page 2. Again, condo, supplement to listing. Keep rolling. Oh, there's my seller's disclosure. Oh, that's required, so that's a good thing. And now this goes from page 3, all the way, nope, sorry, it is 4 to 9. So 4 to 9. And you can see here, okay, so just going back, 1 is that, 2 and 3. That's me. Still need to go in and sign that one. But you see how easy this is to upload it. So once I upload it, I hit split and assign. Sorry, once I pick everything and how I want it to be. It tells me I split 3 documents. They were attached to your checklist. Now I'm going to go to my checklist and see what else I need to still attach. So super easy. It automatically sends it in for review. I don't have to hit any extra buttons. I don't have to flip through DocuSign documents or bull crap. It's just so much easier to attach stuff. And then if I want to go see what I attached, I just click on this. Boom, there it is. Signed document. Voila. Exit out of it. If it wasn't the right thing, I can simply hit remove document. It takes it out. I can go back in and attach it. If I have any comments I want to send to compliance, I can put them here or vice versa. They do always put their comments for the most part at the top unless it's with a specific document. They'll mark it at the top and also on the document of what needs to be corrected. So super easy. This is just the listing side of it, getting everything attached for compliance. I still have a couple more documents to go in and do. And then once I get a contract and we accept that, I hit accepted contract and it brings in more of a checklist for, of course, all of the then contract compliance paperwork that we need in place. So super easy. Love it. Best thing of my life right now. Thank you, eXp. I appreciate you and your technology. But let me know what you think. Super easy. Beats the hell out of command. I will tell you that hands down. Hands down beats command. Bye.